President Rodrigo Duterte is assured of support even from among members of the House minority. But the minority bloc vows a thorough study of priority bills of this administration. This report.
Despite being members of the minority group at the lower house of Congress, Representatives Harry Roque of Kabayan Party List and Lito Atienza of the Buhay Party List expressed their support for President Duterte. At a press conference, the two lawmakers recognized the chief executive's intention to bring the country on its way to progress, which has been proven through his political track record in local government for more than 20 years. Congressman Roque supports the statements of the President in his persona about recognizing the man of rule of law through the Whistleblowers Act and the National Healthcare Service.
Nais ko po magkaroon ng libreng gamot para po sa lahat ng mga Pilipino. Itong bill pong ito talagang pinag-aralan po namin, kasama namin ang mga dalubhasa sa School of Public Health ng UP. At lumalabas po na meron na tayong sapat na resources para lahat ng Pilipino po ay mabigyan ng primary health care. Ang pangalawang bill ko po na nabanggit ni Presidente sa kanyang SONA ay yung Whistleblower Act. Miriam Defensor Santiago was the original author and she requested me to file this bill. Alam naman po natin sa ating karanasan, kay Jun Lozada at iba pang mga whistleblower, kinakailangan bigyan sila ng proteksyon, hindi lang physical na proteksyon, kung hindi na rin yung immunity from criminal prosecution, no?
But as part of the minority group of the lower chamber, going through the details cannot be done away with. Some plans of the president are also not in parallel with their priorities like the death penalty. Representative Roque sees this is a possible cause of violence and may have a negative impact on young people in the future. Roque is also keen on reviewing the criminal justice system to ensure that no human right is violated.
Palagi na lang nagre-rely sa mga testigo. Ang testigo po pwedeng takutin. Meron naman tayong forensics, physical evidence, hindi ginagamit. Kinakailangan pag merong patayan, meron na kaagad na piskal.
Instead of a change in the system of government, focusing on the LGUs is deemed more important.
Implementin natin yung local autonomy as now provided for by the Constitution. And that should be the safer way to testing a new system. It should have been shared with the local government. Again, I'm speaking as a former mayor. When I was mayor, I was demanding for our share of the VAT collection. We did not get a single centavo.
For PTV News, Julius D. Samburon.
Hi, ako po si Aljo Bendijo. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.